So, in the second part of the video, we will discuss about the carbon cycle. You all know that carbon, it is very important component of living things because it is an essential part of carbohydrates, fats and proteins, means it forms the biological molecules. So in the carbon cycle, you can have a look that there is only a single process, that is a process of photosynthesis performed by the producers, that is the plants, which fix up the carbon dioxide which is present in the air into the form of carbon compounds in the body. Rest all the processes such as plant respiration, animal respiration, decay of organisms, burning of fossil fuels, combustion, so they all produce carbon dioxide back to the air. So this recycling of the carbon dioxide in the air and the land and the living forms, this is known as the carbon cycle. Next we have is the human influences on ecosystem. First one is the deforestation. So it is the cutting or removal of large number of trees. So there are certain effects of deforestation. First effect is loss of habitat, then soil erosion, disturbance in carbon cycle, oxygen cycle, water cycle, as well as the flooding. All these explanations you can refer the previous PPT which was sent to you. Then we have is the second effect, that is the eutrophication. So it is the excessive richness of nutrients in a water body due to runoff from the land, which cause dense growth of plant life. So if there are many fertilizers or untreated sewage which enters the water body, what will have, there will be a growth of algae as well as the floating plants. As a result, the plants which were at the bottom of the water body, they will not receive sunlight and they will slowly start dying, as a result of which the bacteria need to act upon the dead bodies and they will perform aerobic respiration, that is respiration using oxygen. And when they will perform aerobic respiration, they will consume maximum oxygen which is dissolved in the water. As a result, the other organisms, they will have shortage of oxygen and they will start dying. So this process is known as eutrophication. This finishes up your chapter, and for the CT, please revise all the definitions which are given in your book, the assignments which were shared with you earlier, and the question answers which I gave you, the solved question answers. Do learn them. Okay, thank you. All the best for your CT.